Okay, so of course if you want to set up your EDC, it is always based on personal preferences and what kind of tools you actually need on a daily basis. But what actually happens if you let someone else decide what kind of things you should have in your everyday carry? And exactly that's why I've asked ChatGPT to set up my EDC, and it said that it's the ultimate everyday carry setup. So let's check that out. And first let's start with some essentials, and the first one that I should use is the Multitool. ChatGPT says that with a Multitool I'm equipped with a variety of tools like screwdrivers and even a mini saw. It's like having a toolbox that fits into your pockets. And actually that's a great tip. I always have a Multitool with me because of its versatility, and the one that I use is the Leatherman. For me it's a great option that I can use for all kind of things, so if you don't have a multi-tool at home, definitely check them out. The next one that I should use is a flashlight, and ChatGPT says, you might be thinking I have a flashlight on my phone, but trust me, a dedicated flashlight is a game changer. It's brighter, more reliable, and doesn't drain your phone battery. And obviously yes, that's totally true, and I actually have a compact flashlight at home that I really like to use, especially in the evening or at night when I'm leaving the house. And especially for dark winter nights, a flashlight is an EDC must-have that I can highly recommend. Third on our list is a pocket knife, and ChatGPT said that no EDC setup is complete without a trusty pocket knife. It's perfect for opening packages, cutting loose threads, or even for emergency situations. And I actually picked up my old pocket knife just to have another one for this setup, but I would definitely prefer the one from my Leatherman. But now that we've covered the essentials, let's talk about another one for my EDC. A first aid kit. And ChatGPT says safety first, folks. A compact first aid kit with some basic medical supplies can be a lifesaver in minor accidents. And yes, that's totally true, and I always have a first aid kit in my car that I can use in these kind of situations. So for these kind of situations it's a great recommendation. But for my basic EDC that I can use every single day, I wouldn't pick a first aid kit because I don't always have a backpack with me, so the limited space is a huge issue here. However, for my travel EDC, such a first aid kit is a perfect option that I will definitely add to my list. The next recommendation is one of my favorites, and ChatGPT recommends to use a pen and a notebook. So yes, absolutely, a pen and a notebook is such a great essential for your EDC. Especially if you want to write down any ideas, new details, or just some notes for your work, a good old notebook is in my opinion still the best option. For sure, apps like Notes are also great, but writing down important notes is for me still one of the best options to get things done faster, so investing in a notebook is the game changer here. And of course, ChatGPT also recommends to use portable chargers. It says our smartphones are lifelines these days, and keeping them charged is crucial. A portable charger ensures you are always connected, especially when you're on the go. And exactly that's why I always have the MagSafe battery pack with me, just in case if I need to recharge my phone. I also have a second battery pack if I need to charge my phone multiple times, but in most cases the basic battery pack from Apple is the one that I need. So if you don't have a portable charger for your EDC, I can highly recommend them. The next essential is the smartphone, because it's a powerhouse of productivity and creativity. And in this case it's of course my iPhone 14 Pro that I really like. Because yeah, all in all the iPhone 14 Pro is in my opinion a perfect match for productivity. With its stunning design, powerful display, a great camera system and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, it's just great. So whether you're capturing visuals for your business, managing your schedule across devices, or even editing raw images for your creative projects, the iPhone 14 Pro is the ultimate tool to stay productive. And last but not least, ChatGPT said that I should add a wallet to my EDC. And it says, a well-crafted wallet doesn't just hold your cash and cards, it's a statement piece. Choose one that matches your style and keeps your essentials organized. And in this case I always like to pick my good old dark wallet that is always a great match for my EDC gadgets. It's not too big and not too small, and I can easily put everything in it that I need on a daily basis. But yeah, that's my ChatGPT EDC for 2023. What do you think about the setup? Write it down in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.